Yeah, you're supposed to turn right there.
Nice.
Whoops. What's going on, guys? So, hey, real quickly, if you guys entered that giveaway, and if you don't know about the giveaway, hit the link below. We're ending that, I think, tomorrow. It depends if I post this video today or tomorrow. If I post it today, it'll be the, whatever day you guys see this video is gonna be the next day that we're gonna be doing the giveaway. So if you haven't entered that and you wanna win some stuff from Mystery Tackle Box, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, I'm gonna chew my food. Hold on. We're actually gonna do some smallie fishing. The spot we're going to is kind of really random. It's almost like a creek, but you know, we get some good smallies here every once in a while. So we're just chilling. It's nice out, and we're just gonna go try and catch some smallies. I'll show you guys exactly what we're doing, how we're catching them. I got my buddy Josh here. He just wants to, we just wanted to fish today, so nothing crazy. Yeah, let's go get to it. So we're gonna switch over to the GoPro. I'm gonna finish eating this, and hopefully we catch some fish. Steelhead running here, but I mean, it's early, dude. It's really early. That's crazy. Wow. I mean, that's a good steelhead too. We've been getting a lot of rain, but I didn't think that much. Like, this is really far up from the lake for steelhead to be. Wow. Alrighty, guys, so here's what we're doing. We're just fishing Ned rigs. You really can't go wrong in a little creek with a Ned rig like this. These are just the Z-Man. I literally think they're called like the Ned baits or something. They look like this if you guys are curious. The Z-Man Finesse TRD, that's what it is. And it's just a nice little awesome creek smallmouth bait. The spot I want to fish currently has people fishing there, so we're gonna have to wait it out. But yep, this is what we're dealing with right here. I got this medium action favorite white bird, and it's a nice little low-key setup, and we're gonna try and catch some smallies. And I don't know, we'll see what happens. All right, let's see if we can't get into something over here. Oh, first cast, I got one. As soon as it hit the water, little one, but I got one. Oh, it came off. I was like, oh, wow. Okay, well, that was good. There's one. Yeah, stay back here. They're probably piled up in there. Sweet. I love these things, man. They're not huge, but they're just so fun to catch. Look at that. Woohoo! They love that little Ned rig. Little sauce stir right here. See you later, buddy. You're probably snagged. You snag a lot. It happens. I'm on again though. Yes. This one's teeny, dude. Look at this one. Oh, it's a rock bass here. I'll show you how to get that off. Bring here. I guess it's a rock bass. All right. Oh, bye, buddy. Here, go like this, like a bow and arrow, slingshot it. This is gonna be interesting. Oh, sick. Well, that was short-lived. Well, you can't win them all, boys. You can't win them all. So the spot I want to fish, there's a bunch of people fishing it, so I don't really want to be that guy and get up in other people's grill. So I'm gonna try and just find a new spot over here, I guess. Careful, it's slippery. Jeez, oh man, this place. Oh, come on. There's one. I don't know if you guys can even see right now, but I'll try and get a light out for the GoPro. I'm gonna have to like get like a light. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see now. There. So we're in the waterfall now. We got another little guy, and this is where I usually lay him out, but it's kind of dark, so it's hard for you guys to see. So we're gonna see what we can do about this, but I guess I keep fishing. Alrighty, we're gonna catch one right here. Ready? Got one. It's a good one. Oh, hey, turn your light on for my GoPro, will you? Look at that. That's actually a good one. Look at that, the Smalley night bite. Dude, that's a freaking stud for here. I told you, come here. Hold on. I know, buddy. Look at that, guys. I don't know, here, hold the light over top. That's a good sized fish for out of here. I know it's really dark and you guys can't hear me, but yeah, there you go. There's your small jaws. That's what I'm trying to catch. People don't know, but the night bite for smallmouth is actually really good. He whacked it as soon as it hit the water. There's another one. Oh, he came off. All right, let's get a couple more and call it a day. That one was pretty good though. For here, there's another one right there. Oh, you see that? They're right up there against that wall, man. I'm telling you. Hey, you're right. You got one. I was like, what are you jerking for? Oh, double up. Oh, look at that. Oh no, no. Oh, well, mine flipped off. There you go. What is? That's a rock bass, I think. Yeah, you got yourself a rock bass there.
Got him.
You on?
Yep.
Good one?
Yeah, it's a nice
one. Yeah, it is decent. Ready? Flip them up. There you go. Yeah, that's a good size smallie right there. Look at that. I'm gonna.
Got him?
Yep. I'm trying to get on video. There you go.
I can just hook him in the mouth, right?
Yeah, grab him in the mouth like a bass. Nice, dude. Oh, look at that. Perfect. As soon as I hand you the light. So these are good sized smallies for this creek though. He destroyed that. There we go. Alrighty, another little guy. Phew. So, give me something to end it on a good note. Well, that might do it. All right, I guess no, not one more, man. Broke me off. Darn snags. All right, I'll end it there, I guess. Alrighty, can you pull that? Yeah, solid. All right, I don't have a light on my camera, so this is a little weird. But yeah, so we got out here, we caught a few smallmouth, nothing crazy. We were fishing a very, very small creek, so the fish that we were catching here towards the end were actually decent sized fish. And it's cool. A lot of people don't know you guys can actually catch, you know, bass just in general at night, or a lot of people don't do it, and the bites actually fire sometimes. So, I know I snagged up and lost all my Ned rigs, but we were catching them like crazy right here as soon as the sun went down, and I was flipping right into a little dam, and we were killing them. My buddy Josh even got a couple himself. So hey, real quickly guys, just so you guys know, we're still doing the giveaway. It's gonna be, the winner is going to be announced in like the next day or two. So if you guys haven't entered that, hit the link down below. We're giving away a t-shirt, a mystery tackle box, a koozie, a Neko, and maybe some other things. I'm not quite sure yet. Mystery tackle box is hooking it up. So if you guys want a chance at winning that stuff, hit the link down below. Go over to Mystery Tackle Box, subscribe to them, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Chasing a beach. What you do, don't let go. Chasing a beach.